Like all living things, cities change. They are becoming more eco-friendly, digitally connected. And just like our cities, we evolve too. As our circumstances change and the buildings we live in age, getting access to all that life has to offer can be a challenge. But responding to the challenges of urban mobility is what TK Elevator does best. Say hello to EOX Renew. Our eco-efficient and natively digital elevator platform repackaged into an ultra-flexible and compact solution for your existing building to ensure accessibility for everyone. EOX Renew can replace any old elevator. It fits where your previous one was, but better. It looks better too, and it offers a smoother ride, a more spacious cabin, greater safety and reliability thanks to our smart maintenance. If your building has no elevator at all, EOX Renew will integrate seamlessly, placed inside or on the exterior. It just blends in on the smallest footprint available, adapting to your existing floor plans, maintaining the architectural integrity of your building while making residents' lives easier. EOX Renew is manufactured in Europe, designed to help sustainably modernize our cities, bring new value to our aging buildings, and capture our increasingly digital lifestyle. With every EOX, you can just swipe a ride with your smartphone. Check the weather and what's new on the multimedia display. Your building manager can monitor the elevator online, and all the while, it will not consume more energy than preparing a family dinner, and even recapture electricity through its regenerative drive, saving costs along the way. For our evolving cities, the buildings we live in, and ever-changing circumstances, our goal is to make sure that everything life has to offer is sustainably and conveniently accessible for everyone. With EOX Renew.